So, Zach, Dogecoin and the future.
Yeah.
Let's just call it what it is. Dogecoin's been quiet for a while, waiting on this thing that has happened in the last, well, it's been an evolving story, right? But
Yep.
the last 7 days, or give or take, Dogecoin up 45+% on one man, one company. You go.
Insane too. And it's not a small company. It's not a small market cap, Dogecoin.
Yeah.
I mean, he's moving the needle here in the last few
Elon
days.
Musk
It's
and Twitter, right? So
insane.
why do you think, oh, great and mighty Zach, instead of oh, great and mighty Oz. And I'm only going to say that once. Somebody's going to record that and then they're going to throw that in my face.
Please don't say that again.
Please don't say that again. Why do you think Dogecoin is up, has been up 45+% on Elon Musk walking into the building of Twitter, firing the CEO, taking over? Why do you think?
Well, I think here's the thing. Dogecoin's price is so depreciated that even without this, it's not a terrible buy.
No, I agree.
Now with this, like giving people an extra reason, like, okay, Elon is in the driver's seat of Twitter. By the way, Twitter has been moving really, really into crypto for a while, right? Like they had like the tipping feature at first, and now they said they're going to come out with their own crypto wallets. Now the man himself, Elon, who's very, very into crypto, very into Doge, is taking over Twitter. So people, I think, are putting the pieces of the puzzle together and saying, probably, we don't know exactly what's going to happen here, but we can sure see that Elon's going to do something with Dogecoin on Twitter.
Well,
what it is, we'll see.
Okay, I'll play devil's advocate, right? Now, you and I have been around this block, and don't shoot me because I'm not a Dogecoin hater. I own Dogecoin. I like Dogecoin. I've covered it. So this question's not like a bad thing, but Doge and Elon have had this dance for years, right? And Elon and SNL and Dogecoin and what's he going to say and so forth and so on. And I think that this move here, the move up, the 45+%, which by the way lifted up Shiba Inu because they're both community tokens and all that stuff as well, which was very interesting. You and I both did videos on that. But to me, Zach, this is purely speculative. It's speculative on the what is he going to do? Is he going to do anything? Is there a forthcoming announcement? Now that Elon's the guy, Dogecoin is going to become the de facto crypto of Twitter, and which that none of this has been said. I'm not saying that in a bad way, but kind of what are your thoughts on that?
I agree 100%. It's definitely speculative, but a lot of people in a bear market, they could be looking at it as a swing trade. I mean, just a few days ago, it was sitting at 5 cents. And, there's all this news about Elon eventually taking over Twitter. People are like, okay, well, let's start accumulating this. I mean, think about it. It's closer to 10 cents now than 5. I mean, you could double your money in a week. Maybe. I mean, if it gets to 10 cents, we'll see, right? It's kind of showing it's capable here. I mean, so I don't know so much if this is like a long-term thing. I think there still needs to be more to happen with Dogecoin, more use cases. But if anything else, it could just be, like you said, pure speculation. And hey, I just made 60% on Dogecoin because Elon Musk took over Twitter, right?
Well, I want to bring up something that you said behind the scenes when we were not on here yet. You had called me earlier today and you said, hey, because I hadn't looked at it yet today. You're like, dude, Dogecoin is up 45% on the 7-day. Sorry, dogs. Hold on. Okay, basically, Dogecoin's up. It's Austin video with dogs. Is that 40? But you were talking about the power that Elon literally had to move this. So go. I'm going to mute.
It's crazy. I mean, considering that it was a $10 billion market cap before this, and it moved up 45%. Like, think about that. Think about moving the needle of a company worth 10 billion, 45% of the stock market, just because one guy bought a company. Like back last year, one guy sent a tweet. I mean, it's absolutely mind-boggling how much influence Elon Musk has on our world, and especially in the crypto space. It's insane. But you have to pay attention to it. You have to talk about it because it's relevant. It is. I mean, Yeah.
Well, agreed, and especially Dogecoin. So we're going to end on that note. So more on this. I think that I've never discounted the fact that Doge has a future, and I think you and I both would readily agree their future is really as a currency in one way or the other, right? I mean, that's kind of that's always been kind of where it's been headed, and that's been kind of the narrative around it for a long time. And I think we'll see if that narrative continues to develop or actually come to fruition. Go ahead.
I'll add one more thing, Austin, too. This is interesting because Ethereum moved from proof of work to proof of stake. Dogecoin is now the second largest proof of work protocol to Bitcoin. So that's fascinating in and of itself. A lot of people still like the proof of work, and the fact that you can mine it and things like that. I mean, outside of Bitcoin, it's Doge. So
two of my son's friends who are 14 years old, respectively, one of them has 2 computers set up in his garage mining Dogecoin. The other one has like 2 or 3. And I'm like, so I personally know of these little guys that are, and they, they make, I don't know what they make. I need to ask them, but they mine Doge. So yeah, you're right. So there you go.
Yeah.
All right. We'll end on that. Have a good one. Oh, by the way, links in the description below. Check out Clear, run it through your own due diligence. Launched last week and
Phenomenal launch.
Phenomenal launch. Definitely go check it out. All right. We'll see you. Bye.